Hi everyone. Now we are going to learn how to take and give introduction. Taking intro is a bit tougher. You need to practice these sentences again and again so that you must be comfortable in taking intro. So let's start taking and giving intro. First of all, you should take permission. May I have your introduction please? Or we can say, may I have your intro please? The answer is sure, of course. What's your good name? My name is Rohan Kumar. Well, Rohan, what do you do? I'm a student. So, Mr. Rohan, which class do you read in? I read in 10th. And which school do you study in? I study in DAV. That's great. Now tell me about your father. What's your father's name? My father's name is Ramchandra Singh. And what's he? He's a doctor. Tell me something about your mother. What's your mother's name and what she is? Well, my mother's name is Reema Devi and she's a housewife. By the way, where do you live? I live in Delhi. And where do you belong to? I belong to Bihar. Okay, Mr. Rohan, how young are you? I'm 18 years young. A nice young chap. What's your aim in life? My aim is to be a doctor. Now tell us about your siblings. How many brothers and sisters have you? Or you can say, how many brothers and sisters are you? I have one brother and two sisters. Or we can say, we are two brothers and two sisters. Are your brothers and sisters younger or elder to you? My sister is younger to me and my brother is elder to me. How do you come here? I come here on foot. Now I ask you about your favorites. Who is your favorite teacher? Raman sir is my favorite teacher. What's your hobby? My hobby is to play cricket. Who is the head of your family? My father is the head of my family. Which subject do you like most? I like English most. Mr. Rohan, it's nice talking to you. Pleasure is mine, sir. So this way, you can ask various questions, and if someone is asking you, you can answer. Apart from these questions, there are a lot of questions you can ask. So you must keep learning. Good luck.